Here we are on a 2019 Four Winds 220 HD, 8.5 foot beam, 22.5 feet length overall on a trailer with a swing tongue on it. This boat has a 4.5 liter Merc 250 horse inboard outboard. It's in very, very good shape. Just over 43 hours, 43.2 hours. Interior lighting package. There is a filler cushion for this seat, or the LX and SLX packages. Storage up in the bow for an anchor. Plenty of storage for a ski tow locker. No rips and tears in any of the upholstery, and it does have a head. Right now it's just being used for storage. If you want to see the boat, give us a call at 920-746-8200 extension 2314 to reach Brock. Be happy to show you the boat. Thanks and have a beautiful day.